don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you...
Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you a penthouse 3-bedroom unit for sale here in Grand Midori Tower 2. This is located on the 38th floor with a total floor area of 169 square meter, 5 toilet and bath, and 2 parking slots. So if you're looking for a penthouse unit here in Legazpi Village, you can call the number in the description or in the comment below, and we'll be happy to schedule for a unit viewing. So let's start the tour from the main door. Okay, so this is the entrance of this unit. So upon entering, on your left side is your common toilet and bath. Oh, sorry, this is a powder room. And moving here is your very nice living area, complete with the sofa, center table, and aircon, newly installed air conditioning unit. You have 2 chandelier and also your living area. And what's the good thing about this unit, since this is located in the penthouse, it has a very nice view of the Manila Bay, and also you can see here the sunset. Okay, let's explore the house. This is another angle of your dining area, and also this is your living area. So let's go check first the bedroom. So this is heading to your first bedroom. This is the kids room, first bedroom, with single bed, good ventilation, good lighting, nice view. And this room has its own toilet and bath already. And it has a modular cabinet for the clothes. All right. Let's go to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It has a foyer, and it's a spacious master bedroom. Okay, so that's your bed frame with mattress, and then you have a lounge area on this side. So everything, all the furniture and appliances are already included. Split type air conditioning unit, floor to ceiling window, glass window, with a very nice view of Manila Bay, unobstructed view of the Makati skyline. All right. And the master bedroom has its own toilet and bath as well, with bathtub, his and her sink. So everything is included. And this is another angle of the master bedroom. Okay. Now let's proceed to the third bedroom, which is also a family area or study area. Another angle of your living area. Let's go here. This is the third bedroom, which is actually converted to a family area or entertainment room. So it has TV, aircon, floor-to-ceiling window, blackout curtains, very nice view, and modular closet, modular cabinet, and another angle of your dining area and living area. And this is your common toilet and bath. Shower enclosure, sink. All right. And beside your dining area is the enclosed kitchen. So this is your kitchen. It has a generous space, a lot of under counter and overhead cabinets, sink, double sink, lighting fixtures, and your range hood and the cooktop, refrigerator, and another space where you can maximize as your storage. And on this side is your utility area. So your utility area, this is where you're going to wash your clothes. And yan, may lagayan na rin, may sampayan na rin. And this door right here, this is another access going out. So you can use this. You can lock actually this one if you're going on vacation, and then the helper can still go inside using this door that will leads you to the hallway. And on this side is the maid's room. It is actually spacious as well. It has a bunk bed already, and the maid's room has its own toilet and bath na rin. Ayun. So you can have two helper, and you can still put another cabinet here as a storage, and this is centralized water heater. And hindi siya kulob kasi meron siyang window. Ayan o. May window dito, may window doon, which is good. This is your breaker. Alright. And going back here is again your dining and living area. So if you are interested, and again, if you're looking to buy a penthouse unit located within the vicinity of the commercial area, very near offices, very near Skyway going to the airport, it has a lot of potential in terms of rental, because Legazpi Village is one of the in-demand location when it comes to rental properties. So you can call us, or you can call the number, and we'll be happy to tour you around this beautiful 3-bedroom in Grand Midori. So that's all for now, and thank you.
Make me feel I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know